Welcome back to a new one. Today we'll be learning about table headings. Now, table data doesn't make much sense without titles to describe what the data represents. To add titles to rows and columns, you can simply use the table heading element or the TH heading. Now, the table heading element is used just like a table data element except with the relevant title. Just like table data, a table must be placed within a table row like such. And what happened in the code above? So first a new row was added, right here, and a blank heading to hold the three headings. Okay, got it. Okay, right here. Then we have, let's see here, a blank heading, a Saturday heading, right here, a blank heading, Saturday heading, and a Sunday heading. The blank heading creates the extra table cell necessary to align the table headings correctly over the data they correspond to. In the second row, one table heading was added, a row title called temperature. Now, when rendered, the code will appear in the image below. Note that the use of scope attribute, which takes one of the two values, row or column, is used to make it clear the heading is for a row or if the heading is used for a column. HTML code for tables may look a little strange at first, but analyzing it piece by piece helps make the code more understandable. Now, in the first row, add table headings. Okay. Do table headings. 3 table headings. Okay, so we just put that. TH for table headings. Right? Okay, done. Now, the table heading should contain the following in order: company name, number of items to ship, next action. So we'll simply put company name, we'll put number of items to ship, and then the last one is next action. Okay, and voila. Now add a scope attribute to each of these headings. So each of these are essentially the columns as we saw here, because they're all columns because of the fact that you have them all like right here. So all of these would be columns or describing columns. So we can just go back and simply put scope like we did here, right here, and put call. Call. Scope equals call. And then for the last one, scope equals call. And there you go. There you have it right there. That's going to end the video. And thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, make sure to sub. But that was table headings in HTML.